gon' burn it down, burn it down, burn it down. We gon' burn it down. We gon'
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to SHOEPERFLY. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Superfly or a don't buy. So without further ado,
but that couldn't have been the issue. Or maybe they just saying that now cause they miss you. The nigga tried to diss you. That's why you laying on your back, looking at the proof of the church. Keep telling the truth and it hurts. Y'all gon' make me. Yeah, up in here. Y'all gon' make me. Up in here. Y'all gon' make me. Yeah, up in here. Y'all gon' make me. Love my baby mother, I never let her go. I'm tired of weak ass niggas whining over foot that don't belong to them. Fuck is wrong with them? Fuck it up for real niggas like my mans and them who get it all, split with their hands with them. Man, y'all gon' make me. Yeah, up in here. Y'all gon' make me. Up in here. Y'all gon' make me. Yeah, up in here.
the TOPSHOP Bria croc-embossed platform Chelsea boots are a force of nature with this croc-embossed finish and high lug platform and heel, guaranteeing you a strut with style and comfort in a man-made high platform ankle boot this season and for many more seasons of wear, as they're not only ready for the spring season but then some. From TOPSHOP, the iconic British multinational fashion retailer of women's shoes, clothing, and makeup, recently acquired by ASOS, offers both uniqueness and quality in its fashion branded signature. If you like what SHOEPERFLY is giving, then be sure to smash that like button, hit that bell, and subscribe to my channel for more. The Bria boot, featuring a pull-on style, 4-inch heel, 1 3/4 inch platform, and 4-inch shaft with an elastic gore branded inset, synthetic upper, textile lining, and synthetic sole, is an Italian import originally priced at $67 at ASOS.com. However, currently on sale at 30% off for the price of $46.90, excluding tax and shipping. Here in a size 38, that's a 7.5 in the US and a size 5 in the UK, only in the color black. The ankle lug boot is crafted with a patent faux leather upper, 100% polyurethane lining, outer and upper. Now this chunky monkey right here runs somewhat small, so I would recommend going at least a size up in your shoe size to avoid the tight fit around the toe area and to ease the squeeze and getting them on. It takes a little bit of effort getting your foot into the shoe. And yes, while a little clumpy, their look is lush, given its glossy mock croc-embossed design, slimming to the leg, also slimming to the leg, and surprisingly comfortable in wear with this TOPSHOP branded padded insole. I don't know if you can see that. TOPSHOP branded insole and supported ridged platform. These cuties are ready, set, go, baby, with an oversized shirt or a hot mini dress. Ooh, I'm feeling it. They give me that K-fashion vibe. Definitely SHOEPERFLY, a Dubai, I must say. What do you think? They're easy to clean and take care of, affordably priced, stylish, and funky. Funky meaning good, not funky meaning bad, and made of great quality. Aside from the tackiness of arriving in a plastic bag, which is a bad look for ASOS, so ASOS, you need to get it together. That's not a cute look. You cannot go wrong with these beasts. Here's a closer look at the TOPSHOP Bria croc-embossed platform Chelsea boots.
But that couldn't have been the issue. Or maybe they just saying that now cause they miss you. And a nigga tried to diss you. That's why you laying on your back, looking at the roof of the church. People telling the truth and it hurts. Y'all gon' make me. Yeah, up in here. Y'all gon' make me. Up in here. Y'all gon' make me. Yeah, up in here. Y'all gon' make me. Love my baby mother, I never let her go. I'm tired of weak ass niggas whining over foot that don't belong to them. Fuck is wrong with them? Fucking up for real niggas like my mans and them who get it on, spin on their hands with them. Man, y'all gon' make me.
On November 30th, 2020, ASOS went into exclusive talks to buy the Arcadia Group's TOPSHOP, Topman, Miss Selfridge, and Hit brands out of administration. That means bankruptcy in the English language. Wanting the brands but not the shops, and on February 1st of this year, after beating out all other bids, acquired the TOPSHOP brand along with the others for approximately 330 million pounds. That means approximately $460 million in the English language. The Arcadia Group collapsed into administration due mostly in part to the impact of the pandemic, cutting more than 13,000 jobs, spelling the end of the retailing empire until ASOS stepped in and claimed the reign, saving 300 of the company's employees as part of the deal, but not one of its 70 stores, leaving about 2,500 other jobs at risk. While the bankruptcy itself raised over $820 million, yes, US dollars, resulting from the selling of these assets and more, Arcadia, a mainstay of UK retail, currently carries a debt exceeding over $1 billion, including a $700 million pension deficit. Yikes. Now, who was it that said more money, more problems? On the flip side of things, ASOS is planning a relaunch this May, so be on the lookout for that if wanting an iconic brand with a much-loved denim range and a new season of must-haves. But this time with ASOS, of course. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just gonna do it again.